From the city of Denton, this is a DTV Newsbreak.
Hello, I'm Victoria Wickham for the city of Denton with this DTV Newsbreak. Many items picked up through the city's home chemical collection program are available free of charge to Denton residents. Simply visit the reuse store at the Resource Recovery Park, 1527 South Mayhill Road. Visit dentonrecycles.com for more information and store hours. Last year, we highlighted the Dangerous Buildings program through the Community Improvement Services Department. That original home was vacant and has now been renovated from the inside out.
We're back to see the finish of this rehabilitation, and as you can see, it turned out great. We're really happy with it. This house used to be boarded up and it was in very bad condition, and so I think everybody's pretty happy to see the finished product. I think this is a great success because had this rehabilitation not happened, we'd be standing on a vacant lot, and it brings vitality back into the neighborhood. It brings property values up and crime down. So I think it's great for the city of Denton.
Learn how to make sure your home is prepared for the summer heat at a workshop on weatherization. It takes place Thursday evening, May 23rd at the North Branch Library. It runs from 6 until 7. Learn some simple ways to save money by conserving electricity. Visit sustainabledenton.com for more upcoming workshops. That does it for this edition of DTV Newsbreak. For the city of Denton, I'm Victoria Wickham. Thanks for watching.
Watch more city videos at youtube.com and visit our website. Stay connected with the city of Denton.